Right now we're going to go into the Grow Generations, the green store. It's where the pros go to grow. So let's go in. So the first thing is you're greeted by the owner of the store right here. Very friendly. Hi. And let's see what kind of things they have. This is actually a new store. They used to be on 5 Points in Biddeford, and then they had another one in York, Maine. And I used to go to both of those to get all the fittings and everything for my grow systems. And I just saw, matter of fact, about a week ago, the sign over here, and I said, I'm going to come see what kind of things they have. So let's take a walk through. Oh, look, they got buckets. Buckets are always well needed, and they have white, red, and black. For cloning your plants. Oh, I've used these before for seeds. These are pretty cool. Just little seed starter plugs. You don't need dirt. So they have those here. Look at that. They even have them in the trays already. That's a neat system. And all the different trays. I just bought a bunch of these from Walmart yesterday. The domes, the clear domes that go on top, but look at all the different sizes, shapes. They have a whole section here on grow bags. Look at these grow bags. They have 15-gallon, 10-gallon, 7-gallon, 3-gallon, my favorite 5-gallon, all the way up to 20-gallon bags. These are the regular fabric pots. They're kind of like a felt so they can breathe. Ah, it's pretty nice. And what do we have down here? Pots, growing pots, and oh, look at those big ones. So there you have it, the entire Grow Generation store in less than 5 minutes. Now, oh, I didn't mention to you, these guys are on Route 1 in Biddeford, Maine. They're in the Martin's Plaza. Martin's. You should have bought it when you saw it at Grow Generations. Hey, you're next to them, you're going to get part of their jingle. There we go. So anyways, Biddeford, Maine, Grow Generations, brand new store. They have all kinds of things. If you didn't see it in the store, guess what? You can get it. They have an online presence, but they told me anything you want, let us know, and we'll get it for you. Okay. So if you want to go over there and get some grow bags and some lobsters, you tell them that you saw online that they can get it for you. We'll split it 50-50 if you get them. I eat the inside, you eat the outside. All right. So with that, hope you enjoyed this review of Grow Generations. Great place and great prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.